Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most trusted and best-selling sedans in the world, the 2026 Toyota Corolla. For decades, the Corolla has represented reliability, efficiency, and everyday practicality. But the 2026 model proves that this iconic sedan is no longer just practical. It's modern, stylish, and smarter than ever before. From a very first glance, the 2026 Corolla carries a bold and confident presence. The redesigned front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give a sportier and more dynamic look. The sleek roofline flows smoothly into the rear, while stylish alloy wheels add a premium touch. It's clear that Toyota has refined the design to appeal to a younger, more modern audience without losing its timeless character. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla offers a balanced combination of performance and efficiency. The standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers around 169 horsepower, providing smooth and responsive acceleration for daily driving. For those seeking maximum fuel efficiency, the hybrid variant combines a gasoline engine with electric motors, delivering exceptional mileage while maintaining a quiet and comfortable ride. The CVT transmission ensures seamless power delivery, making city driving effortless. Step inside, and the Corolla welcomes you with a clean and refined cabin. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ergonomic seating create a comfortable driving environment. The modern dashboard features a digital instrument cluster and an upgraded touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual-zone climate control, wireless charging, and optional premium audio enhance convenience and comfort for both driver and passengers. Technology plays a major role in the 2026 model. Toyota's latest infotainment interface is faster, more intuitive, and seamlessly integrated. Voice commands, navigation assistance, and connected car features make every drive smarter and more enjoyable. Safety remains one of Corolla's strongest qualities. The 2026 Toyota Corolla comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic emergency braking, road sign recognition, and blind spot monitoring. These advanced systems ensure peace of mind whether you're commuting daily or heading out on a long road trip. On the road, the Corolla feels composed and confident. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections smoothly, while steering remains precise and predictable. It's not a performance sports sedan, but it offers balanced handling, refined ride quality, and impressive fuel efficiency that make it perfect for everyday life. When compared to rivals like the Honda Civic and Hyundai Elantra, the 2026 Corolla stands out with its proven reliability, refined driving experience, and strong resale value. It continues to be a smart investment for drivers who want long-term dependability without sacrificing modern style and technology. With an expected starting price around $23,000 to $28,000, the 2026 Toyota Corolla remains one of the best value sedans in its segment. It's ideal for students, families, and professionals looking for a car that combines efficiency, safety, and comfort in one well-rounded package. So, if you're searching for a sedan that delivers trust, technology, and timeless design, the 2026 Toyota Corolla remains one of the smartest choices on the road today. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest car reviews and automotive insights.